Hello and welcome. In this video today, I am looking at the song that you can hear in the background. It is called Kandayani. Now, this song was actually written by Papy when he was with the Ochestre Empire Bakuba. Now, the song Kandayani became extremely popular, especially because of the lyrics. The fact that they're talking about real basic things that should happen in a family. You know, what will characterize a good family? When do you know that you have a good family? When do you know that your family is living in unity? When do you know that you are made of the same blood? You know that you are children of the same mother and same father, or for that matter, that you share a certain lineage. What are the things that show that a family is stuck together and that they do their things together? So Kanda nini? Kanda means hatred. So why do you have hatred in families? Why hatred? Why do you hate? Why do family members hate on each other? So that's basically what they are saying in the song. But then, of course, Papy gives us an example of a guy who really has stood with his family and he's brought the family together. He's actually fostered a family unity. So this song just goes out to all of us, really, that if we come from certain family setups, we need to really foster the brotherhood and sisterhood. We need to stay true to each other within the family. And this one is a newer version. There's the premier version that was a bit slower. This one is a bit faster, is a bit more revised. So Papy starts by saying, "Fami ebonga kaboye," that this is how a family is supposed to be or to look like. Fami ezalaka boye. This is actually how a family is supposed to be. Bana ya tata mpe mama. For children, born from the same mother and the same father. Malambayo kanaka, they must be able to agree, they must be able to talk together, they must be able to talk in unison as a family. So koyo kanaka means that you are in agreement, that you don't have disagreements or very many differences. Malamu balinganaka. If you're members of the same family, then you must love each other, you must show each other love. Wana ezalinde bolingo. That is true love. That's actually love. Love is when you are together as a family, you talk to each other, you understand each other. That's actually love within the family. Malamu basali sanaka. It is important for family members to help one another. Wana ezalinde lisalisi. That is now what you call true help. If you can help family members, if you can help each other within the family. Malamu basanganaka. It's always good to come together. Lisanga is coming together. So malamu bana ya fami moko basanganaka. It's always important. It's always good for children, for members of the same family to always unite, to always come together. Wana ezalinde lisanga. That is the true meaning of unity, the true meaning of unions, people coming together as a family. Ebandaki na yaya, and it began with the elder. So yaya is somebody who is born ahead of you, somebody who is older than you. So you call them yaya. Now the opposite of yaya is leki. So leki is anyone who is born after you, but somebody who is born before you is called Yaya. So you call him Yaya. So he says, Ebandaki na Yaya. So it actually began with the firstborn, with the one that was born first. Pastor Mukunangoma, and so he's actually talking about a particular guy. So this guy is Yaya, is the firstborn, is the one that was born ahead of the others within the family. So it began with him. Atomboli Fami Oyo. He has raised this family. He has brought this family up. Apesi Yangolo Kumu. So he's given that family a lot of respect. He's made the family to really be respected. So he's actually raised, elevated his family, and he's given his family a lot of respect. Abosani Baleki Nayete, he did not forget about the people who were born after him. He's taken care of his younger siblings. Apesi Bangongenge, you know, he's taken them to school, he's given them something that they can do. So he's given them the tools that they will need to survive in this world. So he's actually enabled them. So Apesi Bango Genge, he's been able to enable them so that they can also now live their own lives. So he mentions Tumba Kateta, Chibamba Kabengele, Bana ya Famimoko, children born from the same family, children of the same family. Fami Etondi Lokumu, one family that has plenty of respect. Bato ya mitema mabeba zanga kate. And you know, people with bad hearts will never lack. We always have people with, you know, those bad hearts, ill intentions. They never lack in this world. They're always there. In fact, in plenty of supply. Bato ya mitema mabe bazanga kate. You will never lack to get people who are not straightforward, who do not have a clean heart, as it may be. Bakangeli biso bilongi. So they are now frowning. Kokangela moto bilongi means elongi means that you are really frowning at their success, perhaps at the things that they are doing. So you're not happy. So okangeli ye elongi, that you frown at you know, the success or the good things that they are experiencing. Bakomiko kela biso Kanda. So now they have a lot of hatred for us. So Kanda is hatred. So they have a lot of hatred for us. Kandayani, why the hate? Why the hatred? Why the hatred? Kandayani, oh mama, why the hatred? Why do you hate? Why the hate? Kandayani o Bampangi. So Bampangi means my friends. So why do you have this hatred? So he's actually asking his friends, why do you have this hatred? Why do we hate? You know, Kandayani that was used in the Mississippi movie, but I'm not sure, but I think this is the version that was used. Bato ya mitema mabeba zanga kate. You will never lack people who are not kind-hearted, people who, you know, people who hate on you, people who do not like when things are working for you. Bakangeli biso bilongi. So they are frowning at us. Bakomiko kela biso Kanda. So they hate on us. So they feel that hatred. What for? The hatred is for what? Hatred for what? Why are you hating? Pastor Nguma, so it just repeats the same pastor. Asambela kinanzambe. So this guy actually prayed to God. He prayed to God. Asambela kinanzambe. Yango fami etombwami. So the family has actually been raised. The family has been elevated. It's been brought to a different level. Bayoki biso mabe. So now they don't feel good about it. You know, they don't like it that our family is being elevated. That just now mentions Tumba Kateta. Again, Chibamba Kabembele. Bosala Mosala Nabino, please do your work. Keep on, mind your business, do your work. Bosala Mosala Nabino. Kandayani, why do we hate? Why the hatred? Kanda nyuso batomabe. All this hatred is about is for those bad people, the people who do not like it when you know God is doing wonders for you. So they hate on you. Kanda wana ekokwea na mai, but that hatred will all fall in water. It will go away. Water will wash it away. Biso na fami biso oyo. For us, with our family, Toebi Kisite, we do not know those, you know, those I should call them witchcraft things, you know, the potions that people use to get success or something. We do not know such things. Mpe baboti babota biso baebi kisite. Even our own parents did not take the way of, you know, those potions and witchcraft and things like those. Mama oyo abota biso aebi kisite. Our own mother who gave birth to us does not know those potions, those witchcraft things. Tata oyo abota biso aebi kisite. Even our own father who gave birth to us does not know those things to do with witchcraft and potions and all those things. So why the hatred? So why do you hate on us? Why do we have this hatred? What's the hatred for? Bombanda ya nini? Oh mama. So mbanda is your enemy. So it can also mean your co-wife. So but generally mbanda is an enemy. So bombanda ya nini? So why do we have this enmity? Why do we have this enmity? Really? Kandayani, why the hatred? Why do you hate? So Zua is if you don't like it when somebody else is succeeding. So why do you have that kind of it's more of jealousy? So why are you very jealous about the things that God is doing, for example, for our family? Why all jealousy? Why all this bad heart? Why this hate? What is this hatred for? Why all this jealousy? Why all this being bad-hearted? Why? Zuaya nini? Why all this, you know, hatred, this bad heart? Then the song gets into 7. So those are the basic lyrics in the song Kandayani. So this one is actually a second edition, is a revised edition. If you like it, you can say it's a rendition of the original one. but of course the messaging is the same. So that is the voice of a Papy text. So Papy text could also act as an atalaku. So atalaku or animator is that person who, after they've done all the singing, he takes over now during this part of the song where they keep on singing and saying a few things here and there, and you know, of course, that serves different purposes altogether. So basically, that is what it is that is in Kandayani. Listen to the rhythm guitar. So it's very interesting that it is Papy text himself who is the animator, who is the atalaku in this song, where he's actually led. He's actually been singing alone, you know, from the beginning to the end. So thank you for watching, and now remember to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button, and importantly is that leave a comment, leave a question, leave a suggestion, but also share this so that we can have as many as possible, you know, getting to know what the beautiful people that God created to sing for us are doing or singing in the many beautiful songs that they have released for us. Thank you very much again for watching this video.